Hey there, digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you've been considering venturing into the world of SEO consulting, then you're at the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to start your very own SEO consulting business. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Step 1 is about understanding SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is no small field, and it is evolving every day. The first step to becoming a successful consultant is to understand how SEO works. You need to master keyword research, link building, technical SEO, local SEO, and more. Remember, your clients will be looking to you as the expert. Step 2 is all about gaining experience. Before you start consulting, you need to have some real-world experience. You can gain experience by working on your own website, volunteering to help a friend or a local business, or getting a job in the field. SEO is a practice, and like any practice, it requires you to apply what you learn. Moving on to step 3, identify your niche. SEO consulting is a vast field. You might choose to specialize in local businesses, e-commerce, or perhaps content marketing. By choosing a niche, you can focus your efforts and become the go-to expert for that specific area. Step 4, create a business plan. This should include your business's mission, your target market, the services you plan to offer, and how you plan to promote your business. Also, don't forget to set your consulting fees. Be sure to consider your experience, the complexity of the project, and the going rates in the industry. Step 5, promote your business. Set up a professional website, create business profiles on social media, and consider content marketing. You might also consider networking at local business events or offering a free seminar on SEO to raise awareness of your services. And that's it. Those are the steps to start your very own SEO consulting business. Remember, like any business, SEO consulting requires patience, hard work, and a willingness to keep learning. But with the right mindset and approach, you can build a successful business and help others to thrive online. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on succeeding in the digital world, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on SEO and digital marketing. See you in the next video.